In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to check Python version on Windows. So like if you have installed the Python already and you want to check how to the version of the Pythons and if you want to check whether it is installed or not correctly, so you have to just open CMD for it. Once you open it guys, now to check Python version you can type Python only and just enter. You will see the Python version over here with all details, and there is one more way of doing it, and that is just search Python hyphen then version. So you can enter this command guys to see the Python version. And there is I think one more thing we can do to check Python. I'm not sure, just Python and then after this hyphen space hyphen and then v. So basically it doesn't check, it extracted all the libraries maybe. So I was not sure about it, but yep, that's it guys. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.